to another video. Today we are solving question 118, Pascal's triangle in LeetCode. So we are given an integer called numRows, and this numRows variable represents the number of rows in our Pascal's triangle. And you can see here by this little animation they give us how the Pascal's triangle works. The outer elements are going to be 1, and then the inner elements are going to be a combination of the middle and end values in the rows above. So let's go ahead and recreate this in code. So first we're going to need to create all of these rows so we can push them. So we'll say answer is equal to empty brackets for p in num rows. And what this is going to do is, let's say num rows is equal to 5. This is going to give us 5 empty brackets to push to. So next we need to loop through these brackets. So let's say for I in range of num rows. And then we're going to create a variable called j. And you'll see a little bit why we're creating a variable even though it's equal to I. So we're going to start a while loop, and we're going to say while j is greater than -1. Then we're going to say if I is equal to 1. So if we're on the second row, so actually here, let's do this. So if j is equal to 0, which means it's the first element, or I is equal to 1, which means we're on the second row, so there's only going to be ones, or j is equal to I. What this means is that we're at the end of our, we are at the, I guess, however you look at it, we'd technically be at the end of the row, so we'd want to push 1 in that instance as well. So we'll say ants I, and then we'll say 0j append 1. We'll say actually just 1, I believe. And then we can go ahead and update the value of our j variable. So we'll say j minus equals 1. And then, so actually what we'll do here is, we're going to ahead and, let me just redo this. So we're going to insert, so I'm going to say insert, because we need to insert it at the first element. So we'll go, there we go. That will give us the value. All right, perfect. Now we can say else. So if it's not the beginning or the end of a row, we're going to go ahead and push ants I. So ants I, so the current row that we're on, insert at the first element, and then it's going to be ants I minus 1. So from the last row, we're going to get the value of the index of j, and then we're going to add that to the value of the last rows j minus 1. And then we should be good to go there. And we can update our value now of j. And then now we are done. We can actually just return answer from here. And this should work. So let's go ahead and run that. Oh, I got to put range here. All right. There we go. Let's see if that works. And it does. Awesome. Let's go ahead and submit this guy. Perfect, and we get a great runtime. So that is my solution to this problem, Pascal's triangle. Let me know what you guys thought of my solution. If you guys learned anything at all, go ahead and leave a like. Go ahead and subscribe. We are solving a LeetCode question every single day, and I appreciate all the support you guys can give me. So with that, I will see you tomorrow, and have a good one.